Hello everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing Amarin. Before we get into it, if you would, go ahead and hit the like button, and then after that, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Doing those two things lets the YouTube algorithm know that you enjoy the content and also gives other people a chance to enjoy it as well. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into Amarin as usual, starting on a daily time frame. And there is no question that we have been in for a period here, a lengthy period of choppy, sideways, bearish consolidation action since late 2018. So holders of Amarin, investors in Amarin, obviously have needed to exercise a lot of patience over the last few years, but that patience could soon be getting ready to pay off. It's a possibility. I'll show you that on the momentum indicator in a second, but just looking at the daily time frame, to me it's very clear we need to break these levels here and start showing some daily candles above the $9 area for the next uptrend to really start taking off. And then additionally, I've got this nice downward sloping trend line in place here. If we were to come over here somewhere in this zone and start breaking up, start showing a pattern of higher highs, higher lows, give us some structure to potentially lead to that $9 breakout point sometime here this year, maybe early next year. I know it's always hard to to wait on stuff. People want price action to happen immediately, but and holders of Amarin have been patient here for a long time, but it may take just a little bit more patience here until we finally get that breakout and accelerated price action to the upside that everyone has been looking for. So that is the daily time frame. There's no point in diving into the 1 hour time frame here really. It looks like support, let's see, right around the 391 or so area. So I'd really expect this to hold here, not take us below 390 too much. And again, just can start consolidating sideways. And ideally, to me, we would be able to just come over here sideways, start chopping, holding this trend, holding this support trend around 391 again, and break to the upside. Even if we didn't immediately start gaining momentum to the upside, to me, even breaking this downward sloping trend line in a sideways fashion would be a big deal. That's one more hurdle, or one less hurdle that we have to overcome, and then at that point all we're really looking at to start gaining real momentum to the upside is that breakout of the $9 zone. So very clear on Amarin what exactly we need to have happen right now. Just dive into the momentum. And again, it's just been a really long phase here of this just consolidation, bearish, choppy, sideways action. But it looks to me like there's a silver lining. Finally here, after a couple of years, we are starting to get what looks to be potential supports that are looking for a series of higher highs and most importantly higher lows, which I always like to see. We're finally starting to get that here after a couple years. And again, just like the price chart, we've got this nice downward sloping trend line originating in March 2019. A couple years of action here, but to me it's really looking like we're starting to gain some support here, and this is what we want to see is breakouts above the zero line, a surpassing of this downward sloping trend line, and a nice trend line of momentum back higher. This is when Amarin to me really starts gaining momentum to the upside, and we can start targeting all sorts of prices again back up to potentially let's see, what zones were around 20 something back here in 2019. Yeah, in these areas here, it looked to me like the first main target would be around 14 if we were able to pass 9, and then after that you've got you know, $20 obviously is always a point of resistance, and 22 and probably 24. All-time highs 24. All bets are off, and from there it's blue skies in a way. But yeah, we've definitely got some work to do before that happens. But a start to that process would be a breaking of this resistance on the momentum. Sometime, you know, in the next few months, maybe but even by the end of the year, we could see some sort of development like that in Amarin. So that's basically it on Amarin for now, guys. Make sure to, if you like the content, please hit the like, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do updates on Amarin on a consistent basis. I do technical analysis, updates on all your favorite stocks in the market. So please hit that subscribe button so you get notified when new updates come out. And really appreciate it, guys. Enjoy making the video and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.